Welcome to this guided meditation. If you've been stuck in analysis paralysis and second-guessing every decision, this meditation will help you rebuild self-trust and reconnect to your inner knowing. It is very common to get into a pattern of overthinking in which we engage with a mental chatter that distracts us from attending to our inner knowing. Overthinking doesn't mean you're broken. It means you've forgotten how safe your own wisdom is. Let's begin by finding a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Get into a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Take a nice, long, deep breath in through the nose. And take an even longer exhalation through the mouth. Repeat this process 4 more times, making your exhalations longer than your inhalations. Now we are going to scan the body from head to toe. As I name each part of your body, allow that area to release any tension and completely relax. Soften the top of your head, the back of your head, and your forehead. Soften the space between your eyebrows, your eyelids, and the corners of your eyes. Soften your cheeks, your lips, and all around your mouth. Soften your jaw, your neck, and your shoulders. Soften your arms, elbows, wrists, hands, and fingers. Soften your chest and upper back. Soften your stomach and middle back. Soften your abdomen and lower back. Soften your hips, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet, and toes. Take a moment to observe the release of the areas of your body. You don't need to solve anything right now. Nothing is required of you in this moment. The mind is constantly coming up with thoughts, but rather than engaging with the thoughts that pop up, let's be the observer again. We can do this by imagining thoughts as notifications that pop up on a phone or computer. The mind is trying to protect you by constantly messaging you. Take a moment to thank the mind for working so hard on your behalf. By observing the mind in this way, you can remind yourself that you are not your thoughts. You are the awareness noticing them. In less objective moments, there may have been times when you allowed your thoughts to consume you to the point that you second-guessed yourself. Perhaps it caused you to delay decisions. Maybe you knew the answer, but you didn't act. How does it feel in your body when you override yourself? Where do you feel hesitation? You are invited to imagine that within your chest there is a glowing light that serves as your inner compass. What does your inner knowing feel like? Is it loud? Or is it quiet and steady? You will know that it's inner knowing when the message is calm. Inner knowing is calm. Anxiety is loud. Listen to the following affirmations, repeating them if you feel called to do so. I am learning to trust myself again. I am learning to trust myself again. My body holds wisdom. My body holds wisdom. Clarity comes when I am calm. Clarity comes when I am calm. I do not need certainty to move forward. I do not need certainty to move forward. I trust myself to handle what comes. I trust myself to handle what comes. Now, I want you to bring a decision that you need to make to mind. Identify two options you can take. Let's call them option A and option B. Imagine choosing option A. Notice how your body responds when imagining option A. Now imagine choosing option B. Notice your body response when imagining option B. Which option feels expansive? Which option feels tight? Self-trust isn't about perfect outcomes. It's about honoring your internal signals. You are now invited to visualize yourself moving through the next week. See yourself making decisions calmly, not replaying conversations in the mind, accepting your choices. Listen to the following identity statements and repeat them if you feel called to do so. I am someone who trusts myself. I release the need to overanalyze. I am safe in my own judgment. As we close out this meditation, it is time to bring your awareness back to your body. Take a few deep breaths. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Gently open your eyes. Remember that the mind may still speak, but you don't have to obey every thought. If this meditation helped you rebuild self-trust, return to it anytime you feel stuck in overthinking. Thank you for participating in this guided meditation. Please like, comment, and share this meditation, and subscribe to my channel to know when the next guided meditation drops. Many blessings to you. See you soon.